So our lucky charm is here again. Butterfly.
Parang bukid. Are you ready? Parang bukid. Ang paru-paro bukid-bukid. Nandito na naman ang ating lucky charm. For the panty is butterfly. Ito ang nagdadala ng swerte sa ating panty haul. Yan, bumili na kayo ng butterfly. Baka swertihin din kayo. O ha? Mura pa. Swertihin ka na. Di ba? Big chance for you to be successful in your panty. Like this. Very comfortable to wear. Silky. It has a print on like at the back side. Okay, this is very comfortable. This is my type. Sexy and a little bit conservative type of a panty.
Is it lacy? Is it luxurious? All prices are like 50 pesos and below. Drum roll. Oh. So our lucky charm is here again. Butterfly. Swerte talaga sa atin ang butterfly. Sana naman swertehin naman tong video na to. More views, more views. Very beautiful. And look at the details on that. Oh, so cute, right? It's a thong, of course. Lace over here. And here, of course, yes. Look at that, guys. It's very sexy. Iba na allow ba to? Yes, definitely. Kim Kardashian? Yes. Saan pa kayo? Less than $1? Yeah, go ahead. Do your online shopping.
Here we go, guys. Bam. This is more like conservative type. Sexy in the front, but the back side is conservative. So it hides your bottom area right here. But it's more like a silky type of material. Very cold to the touch. Soft, yes, and light. Very affordable lingerie to guys, and the string here is super tiny, so if you're gonna wear it, you will make you look super sexy. This is like the exciting part here. So look at that, no? It's nice talaga siya. Here, the detail here, look at the detail. It's really cool, nice, super, ano siya, super sexy talaga. It will emphasize if you have curve. This can emphasize everything on that. Yes. And if you have a good round bottom, this is so perfect. And this is not just like plain, but it has like flowery prints to it. I don't know if you can see if the camera can pick it up, but it has some prints in there. But here in the front, guys, it's like butterfly, no? This is a butterfly design. It's really cute. Yeah, it's really nice. Okay, comfortable, yes. Yes, this I can wear definitely. Of course, our magic lucky charm of all the panties out there, butterfly na bolitas. Climb every mountain. Open, forward. The design is very cute. It has a butterfly, look at that, in the front, a pearl center, and then they got a hole in here, cheese string. Okay, back, it's a thong. Open, forward, open, forward. So this is it. This is our panty collection for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want, and comment down below if you want me to do more underwear haul for sexual lingerie, which is very affordable and cheap. I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.